Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to change the clothes of an image in Canva. For example, if someone was wearing a t-shirt and you'd like to change it to a tuxedo, I'll show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do once you're on canva.com, from there you can tap on custom size. Then let's say for example we'd like to keep it square, so I'm going to leave it at 1000 by 1000. Then I'm going to tap on create new design. By the way, you can choose whichever size that you want. The size reflects on the template or the dashboard right here. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you're going to tap on uploads. Once you have selected uploads, from here you'll be able to upload the image that you would like to change. So let me find an image real quick. So let's say for example I would like to change this image. All I would have to do is simply tap on it. Then let me increase the size real quick. So I'm going to pull it right there, as you can see right here. And at the moment you can see that this gentleman is wearing jeans or a denim, better yet t-shirt. At the moment you can see that this gentleman is wearing a denim shirt. Now if you would like to change it, all you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on edit photo. After you have tapped on edit photo, you are going to select magic edit. So let's do that real quick. Once you have selected magic edit, what I want you to do is slightly increase the brush size. You can increase it to your liking. Then from there you're going to simply run the brush over the section that you would like to change. So we'd like to change the shirt, so we're going to simply run the brush over that section, as you can see right here. And you want to do it as neat as possible, so you can do that right there. And then you'll simply run the brush right over all of the sections. So let's do that real quick. As you can see, I'm doing it right here. Once you have done this, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go over to the left hand section once more. Let me do that. And you're going to tap on continue. Then right where you see describe what to generate, from here you can simply type in whatever you want. So let's say for example I want to wear a blue tuxedo, so I'll type in blue tuxedo real quick. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on generate. Once you have tapped on generate, you'll see the options that the AI have generated right here. So you can see the different options. So you can select anyone to your liking, as you can see right there. Once you have found one that you like, all you'll need to do is tap on done. And you can see that the image has now changed. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by the way, you could go over to the top right hand corner, tap on share. Then from there you'll be able to scroll down, tap on download, and you'll be able to download the image for completely free. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful.